Okay, guys, just following up with what we did today. We're gonna expand a little bit on it and now do quadratic systems of inequalities. Okay, and so basically, if you remember from graphing linear inequalities, all that's going to be different is that we're going to have to um, remember these rules. Okay, when we're graphing things, if we have just a regular greater than or less than symbol, then we graph those with a dashed line. If we have an or equal to type of symbol like this, then we graph it with a solid line. I always say when you're looking at your symbol, if you see a line, draw a line. If you don't, dash it. Okay. And then if it says that y is greater, we will shade above the line or the parabola. If we have a problem that says y is less, then we will shade below the line or parabola, whatever it is. Okay, we'll do two of these here so you can get the hang of it. Here, this is going to be a system of quadratics. They're both going to be quadratics. Y is less than negative x squared minus 9x minus 2. And then we'll pick a different color here. I'll go green. We have y is greater than or equal to x squared minus 2. Okay, I think what I'm going to have you do here is we're going to create two t-tables off to the side of our graphs. I'll keep our colors coordinated here to try to keep us organized, okay? And we're, of course, going to get these t-tables from our calculator, so even less kind of thinking that we need to do here. Oh no. Trying to bring up my calculator here. Here we go. Got it. Okay, so I'll type in my red equation here, okay, which is negative x squared minus 9x minus 2. Okay, we can take a look at that quadratic. Okay, and what we really want is its table, because I want to look for the vertex. Okay, I want to try to find some symmetry. All right, so I can see that here. The vertex, I don't need the exact vertex, but I can tell it's between the x values of -4 and 5 and -5 because they're both 18. You can see the symmetry of that table. Okay, and I'm going to copy that down there. What I've got here, let's see if I can bring my calculator back up. -8, 6, -7, 12. Okay, and then I've got -6, 16, -5, 18. I've got -4, 18, -3, 16, -2, 12. Okay, you want to get some of that. So let's put this on the graph. We'll have to go above the graph here, but I've got -8 and 6. That's right there. I've got -7 and 12. That'd be up here. -6 and 16. -5 and 18. -4 and 18. -3 and 16. -2 and 12. Okay, it'd be -1 and 6. And so I've got this parabola. Now, the red inequality symbol is just less than, so I'm going to connect these with a dashed line. Okay, and it says that y is less, so I'm going to end up shading below. I'll scribble in a little bit here, below, so I know that that's where I'm at. Okay, now, all right, let's go back to my calculator and go to my y equals button, clear that out. Now let's type in the green equation, which is just x squared minus 2. We can take a look at that graph first if you'd like. Boom. We'll go to the table to get some accurate points to put in my graph here. Okay, I can already see the symmetry right here that's wrapping around 0, -2. Okay, 2, -1, 0. So what I've got here is negative, whoops, -2, 2, -1, -1, -2, 0, 1, -1, and there's also 2, 2. And I'll plot those points, -2, 2, -1, -1, 0, -2, 1, -1, 2, 2. Now I look at that, that is it's a y is greater than or equal to, so I'm using a solid line now. Okay, it says greater, so I would shade above. And my answers are of course where the two things overlap, which would be here where I'm putting in the orange color. That would be where my correct answers are, as long as you show me, indicate that you know where they overlap. Okay, so we could do one more here. We could try to make it be solve each system. Okay, you could get one that was a quadratic and a linear, and it could be an inequality. So we can, of course, do that. I'll make another video for that kind, okay? But just remember that you need to know if something's solid or dashed and to shade above or below, and then tell me where the two lines intersect. Please use your calculator and use your table to create a table of accurate points that you plot on the graph to show me that, okay?